our hair goes through so much. And whatever our hair goes through, our scalp and the skin on our scalp does the same. Much like most of our products, when we created H.A.P.I shampoo, we wanted to include ingredients that go toward addressing both hair and scalp health. H.A.P.I shampoo is our cleansing product. H.A.P.I stands for Hydrating, Alimentary, pH balanced ingredients. Some of our active ingredients include baobab oil, aloe vera, and coconut derivatives. The incredible thing about this product is it really effectively cleanses your hair, but in a very gentle way. It's so rich in antioxidants and in vitamins. Our community members always say that the H.A.P.I shampoo is so gentle and so luxurious in the shower that it practically detangles their hair. I think that's one of the key benefits of this shampoo being pH balanced and having a lower pH. It behaves in many ways like a conditioner, even though it's actually doing the hard work of effectively cleansing your hair. Another top benefit we hear all the time is that H.A.P.I shampoo has relieved my scalp. It makes my scalp feel so much better and actually increases the amount of time that our community members can go in between washes. All Sienna Naturals products are dermatologist tested and approved, made with natural ingredients, responsibly sourced, vegan, and cruelty-free. Created and owned by Black women, Sienna Naturals. Happy scalp, happy hair.